理由的。
没有人可以去等待，不知不觉的放开你，我们都没有那勇气 ，baby。I'm sorry, I'm so lonely。
我们都没有错与对，找不到任何一个原因，没有理由的离开 ，baby。I'm sorry, I'm so lonely。
Hello guys, we're out and about again. We're walking towards the Siemens Station, exit 6. May ano pa? Banan line. No? Uy, green yan, be. There. It's so busy here because it's currently 6:45 in the evening.
Tapos ang mga work nila siguro.
Yeah, I think everybody's going home now.
Diyan tayo galing o exhibition.
Hindi naman tayo pumunta rin.
Pagod mo ba sang card?
Dito na kami sa Taipei City Hall Station. Where are you?
Punta kami Taipei City Hall.
Yeah, mag-take ng pictures sa rainbow starting line.
Punta na kami sa
Dito muna kami sa famous na hagdan sa Taipei City Hall. Nakita yung view ng Taipei 101. Pero parang maraming tao, pero pwede naman mag-picture.
Yeah, Nag-isa na kaming payong.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan kanina. Nawala naman na tumalang. Pero may ambon pa rin. The rain has stopped. Dito na kami ngayon sa may Rainbow Walk. Yeah. This is our view. This is in front of City Hall. Okay, let's go find food to eat.
We're hungry. Ano oras na?
Oh, it's almost 8 o'clock.
Almost 8
Okay,
o'clock.
goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Rainbow Walk and the view of Taipei 101.
Medyo nakakapagod kasi maulan, no? Pero malapit na kami makakain. Gutom na kami.
It's 8:25 in the evening.
Wait.
Hello guys, nandito na kami sa Rauhe finally after ang daming nangyari. Ito na ang first meal dito sa Rauhe. Yung famous na buns nila. Musta?
Sarap.
Sarap ka.
Sarap siya.
Okay.
So, how was the first food?
Naumay ako.
Umay ka na agad?
Pero masarap yung tinapay. Naumay ako dun sa karne na buo kasi sa pinakababa. Pero yun, okay lang. Next food.
Next food.
No, I don't like that.
Mayonnaise. Thank you. Hindi naman.
Hello. The next food we bought ay
Fried scallop.
fried scallops. We were supposed to get fried calamari kaso hindi daw available. Show them. Ayan siya. Sarap siya. It's 120 NTD. Kapag dalawa, 240 malaki.
Star daw.
Oo nga.
Oh.
Oo, Umuulam. We're going to buy potato. Tornado.
Which flavor?
Flavor.
Ang gusto mo?
Mustard. Mustard.
Master. กันแน่นอนไหนสุดท้าย
Finally, potato tornado. I've been craving this since our first day here.
Okay.
I'm happy. Okay, bye.
You're the first bite.
อะไรกันแน่นอน
Sarap na sarap to. Okay, we're going to find our next food. Diba? $17.
Thank you.
Let's try the mini
Dorayaki.
dorayaki. We got it in tiramisu and matcha. I want matcha.
Dami sa chocolate.
Maulan na naman kaya nagstay muna kami dito sa bilihan ng tech gadget. Matcha is matcha. I like it. Sarap.
Pancake.
Just pancake with filling. Mini pancakes. Not too sweet. Huh? How much kaya? It's a milk tea. How much is this? What should we try next?
I'm not sure.
I want to drink.
I'm not sure what I want.
Let's just drink water. Ah. Oh, there's view.
Going back. After.
Hmm? There's more food stalls. Ayoko. Guys, sakit na ng paa ko. Baka ito na yung kailangan namin.
40 minutes, 600.
Oh. Look at this. Oh.
Copy.
No. It's different. No, I don't want. Oh, that's the end now. We're nearing the end.
Dulo-dulo pala eh.
Bro, yan na. Oh, ako na. Bo,
Scallop candy.
scallion.
Ah. Ever.
Oh, kala ko catfish. This is the end. Babalik na tayo. Oh! Hello, you're there. Ito na yung other side. Iikot na kami. There's the cheese corn.
One lang.
But we want cheese corn. Okay.
Una.
Yeah.
This one's easier because you don't need yeah. I do know how to. Really?
Here's the cheese corn.
Wow. It's okay. It's
Let
not
me
like
try.
what we have in the Philippines. Not the cheese powder. But
Oh.
it's okay.
Masarap ka? It's better. It's better. It's a cheese powder. It's really cheese. Okay. Are we going to buy that? Yes or no?